In the sterile silence of a hospital room, a boy lies still, his mind abloom. Lucid dreams, a kaleidoscope of light, painting visions in the depths of night. Wires and monitors, a steady hum, echoes of life on the run. In dreams, he dances on cosmic shows where galaxies sing and time restores. But waking brings a shadowed wail. Hallucinations dance, whispers frail. Shapes and shadows in the corner creep, reality's grasp, a restless sleep. Discharged into a world unsure, hallucinations linger, visions obscure. Yet, within his heart, a flame still burns, a yearning for the dream's return. In the quiet of a solitary space, he finds refuge, a sacred place, where memories of dreams reside, a performer's spirit, wild and wild. With each step upon the stage, he breaks free from his cage. In every leap, in every spin, he finds the strength to begin again. For dreams that once were distant light, now guide him to the darkest night. In lucid dreams, he finds his way, a performer born from night to day. We stand presenting Lucid Dream.
ഡിസ്ചാർജ് ആയല്ലോ. അപ്പൊ ഇനി ഞാൻ പറക്കല്ലേ?
പറക്കും